Good morning, friends. It is July 23rd and I think it's time for a yellow watermelon update. I think I need to learn how to prune. But guess what? I want to show you something. It did get stuck in the fence, so it does have a boo-boo, but hopefully it'll be okay. Look, look, look. There's a yellow watermelon. Look. Isn't it pretty? Let's go see how they're doing in the food forest. And here is the yellow watermelon trough that's in the food forest. We have 5 plants in here. Nope, sorry, 4 plants in here, and then the one in the greenhouse. I'm not seeing any fruit yet, so I really don't think I'll get one to ripen out here. But it's okay. It's so fun trying. Thank you, Sock and Minnow, for the seeds. Please check out the Kay and Mac project and everyone's yellow watermelon challenge. I'll be sure to do the hashtag to link all that. Have a great day. We've also joined the 5-gallon bucket challenge put on by Outdoors with Big Matt. I'll be sure to hashtag on that as well. We're doing large cherry tomatoes, but it's looking pretty healthy. Alright guys, be sure to like and subscribe for more gardening and nature adventures. Love you all.